Hello, welcome to the demo of DevOps Center Beta. I hope you have already completed the installation and configuration steps. If not, then go and check out the steps mentioned in the article. Okay, now let's see DevOps Center in action. Here you can see I am on the DevOps Center app page. I can see the project that I had created earlier. So you can see the different column here. So we have a repository URL. So basically this is the GitHub repo URL. You have a release environment. This is basically your production environment URL. And then you have information about your environment, connected environment, and then you have pipeline stage. So you have a 3 stage here. So let me click on the project here. So I will click on the project. Here you can see 3 tabs. So we have work item, pipeline, and setting. So you have to click on the work item. I'm going to create a new work item. So let me click on the new work item button here. So I will put the subject and description here. So let me copy the subject. So I will put the subject and description. Okay, so here you can assign your team member who is going to work on this work item, but for now I'm going to assign it to myself. So I will click on save now. Okay, so you can see a new work item has been created. So I'm going to click on this work item. So here you have to select the development environment in which you want to work. Okay, so I will select the development org. This is the connected org that I had earlier created. So I will select this and I will click on proceed. So once I click on proceed button, so in the background DevOps Center will create a branch for this work item in your GitHub repository. Okay, so let me click on proceed button here. Okay, you can see here branch has been created. So and here you can see also the changes from the development org, like the metadata you can see here. So you can check this branch that was created on the GitHub repository here. So here is the URL. You can check this out. So when I click on this, so I can see there this branch has been created, and then you have the empty folders here. So now what I'm going to do is I will create the fields in the development org, and I will pull the changes. Okay, so here you have a button to pull the changes. Okay, so here I am in the development org, and so according to work item I have to create a field, custom field on the case object. So I'm going to create a new field on case object. So let me put the label here. So we have to keep the name as incident ID. So let me select the data type as a text field, and then I will put the label here, and the length is 16. So we have to put the length 16, and then I have to select this checkbox because the requirement was to create external ID field. So I'm going to click next now. Okay, next, and I will click on save now. Okay, so I have created a custom field on case object. Now it's time to pull this change in the DevOps Center. So I'm going to work item here, and I will click on the pull changes. Okay, so it will take little bit time to fetch the information. So here you can see all the changes has been like you can see the changes here. So that is, these are all changes from your development org. Okay, so I have to select the custom field. So I am going to select these two metadata, custom field and the custom index, and I will put some comment here. So let's say initial commit. Okay, so once I will click on the commit changes here, so these changes will be committed in your GitHub branch. Okay, so I will click on commit changes. So you can see here the status. So it is going to commit the changes in the branch. Okay, so let's wait for this to complete. Okay, so the commit has been completed now. So now next step is to create a review. So when you will click on this button, so it will create a pull request, and let me click on this. So okay, so a pull request has been created. So you can see that here in the branch. Okay, so I am here. Okay, so I have to commit the changes. So okay, so here you have the pull request. Okay, so I'm going to merge this pull request. Okay, so I have merged this pull request in the integration branch. So here now next step is to check this to enable this. Okay, so you can see here it's automatically so once the pull request is merged, then it will automatically change the status of work item to ready to promote. Okay, so now you have to click on the pipeline tab here, and you can see here your work item is now ready to promote to the higher environment. Okay, so you have to click on this button, so complete promotion, and then you have to click on this button, continue to login. So I have to log in into the INT org. So let me check the username. Okay, let me check the username. Okay, so this is my username. So let me log in with this user. And this will redirect to your page again, and you have to click on again on the button, and here you have option to promote. Like you have to option to select the test classes if you want to run the test class. If you have developed any Apex code, in that case you need to run the test class, but for this case we do not need to run the test class. So I will select the default option here, and and default here also. Okay, and I will click on the promote. So now it should okay, so here you can see deployment is in progress in the integration branch, sorry, integration sandbox, you can say. So let's wait for this to be deployed. Okay, so now you can see the promotion has been successfully completed. So I can check this new field in the int org now. So let me check this. So I will go to case object and I will check the field. So it was incident ID. So here you can see this field has been created in the int org. So this has been created right now. So yes, so now next step is to promote this to the higher environment. So you have to click on this button, promote work item bundle, and this now again you have to log in into the UAT. So again I have to check the name, username for the UAT instance, and then I will authorize the org. Okay, okay, so this is my username. I will okay, so here I have logged in with the UAT or credential, and now I will be able to promote these changes to UAT. So I am going to click on button again, and I will say version 1, and then I will click on promote. So so it will take little time, and then it will start deploying the changes, whatever changes you have in your integration. It will deploy in your UAT. Okay, you can see here the promotion has been completed. So now I can check the field on UAT and UAT instance also. So here I'm going to check the field. So I say incident, so here let me search the incident field. Okay, you can see here the incident field has been added in UAT org also. Now next step is to promote your changes in the production. So you just need to follow the same step. You need to log into your production instance, and then you will be able to promote your changes in production. So I'm going to log in with the production org, and then I should be able to promote the changes. Okay, so I will click it again, and I will click on promote now. So you can see the deployment has been started, and Okay, you can see the promotion has been completed. Okay, let's verify the changes in the production instance as well. So I will go in object manager and then go to case object, and I will click on fields and relationship. Here I have to search incident ID. So here you can see the incident ID field has been added in production instance as well. Okay, so we can also check the metadata of this custom field in GitHub repository. So here I am at GitHub repo, and here you can see I am at main branch right now. So we have several other branch as well, like integration and UAT. So I can check the metadata of the custom field in integration and UAT branch also. So here I have to go to this folder and I'll click on case. So here you can see the metadata information about case object. Similarly, we can check this in the UAT branch also. So here we have the information about the custom field.